Green tea rice flour pack for clearing and brightening skin. Rice flour, pack with potato to remove dark circles. Rice flour. Rice is known to be anti-inflammatory in nature and takes care of itching and inflammation by having a soothing effect on the skin. Using rice flour face packs tightens your pores and tones your skin. It clears up the skin and makes it brighter. Take a hot cup of water. Take 1 bag of green tea. Put the tea bag in the hot water and brew for a few minutes. Applying a green tea face mask helps in minimizing sebum, thus excess oiliness on your skin. Controls excess oil. Excess oil on the skin's surface can cause clogged pores, acne, and breakouts. Reduces inflammation. You have normal to combination skin. This face mask can make your skin soft, supple, and cleanse it naturally. Green tea face mask benefits include detoxifies and cleanses the skin. I need 1 potato. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help brighten the skin and even out skin tone. Grate the potato. Potato juice can help you get rid of under-eye circles and wrinkles, reducing puffiness. Using potato on face 1, better skin tone 2, removing dark spots 3, soothing the skin 4, exfoliation 5, anti-aging. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C and catecholase, a brightening enzyme. It helps you get rid of ugly spots, marks, and blemishes. Potato, when applied on the face, removes ugly marks and blemishes. It also removes inflammation and reduces puffy eyes. Face pack made of potato juice will give glowing skin. Regular use will give many benefits. Extract the potato juice. There are claims that a potato face mask may reduce signs of aging, increase glow, and decrease the appearance of hyperpigmentation. Potato juice. Potato face packs offer a range of benefits, from reducing pigmentation to providing deep nourishment. Add rice flour 3 spoon. Beauty traits of rice flour: brightens skin complexion, diminishes oiliness, fights acne, regulates production of sebum, cleanses and purifies the skin, soothes and repairs the skin, exfoliates blocked facial pores, nourishes and moisturizes the epidermal layer. 1 spoon green tea. Mix. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help brighten the skin and even out skin tone. Rice powder face pack puts a halt to excess sebum production, reduces acne, balances oiliness, and tightens skin pores. We share with you a time and money-saving way to create one of the best hydrating face masks: green tea and potato juice face mask. Green tea and potato face mask. It would help lower acne problems besides preventing skin rashes and blemishes. Cleanse your face and then apply the mask evenly to your face and neck. Green tea face mask helps to cleanse the skin and remove toxins. Regular use can help make your skin brighter. Rice tightens your pores and tones your skin, soothes the skin. Repairs the skin, takes care of sun damage. Diminishes chances of skin cancer. Green tea rice flower pack for clearing and brightening skin. Apply and let sit for 20 minutes. It will instantly give you smoother skin and make your skin feel amazing. Use this twice a week for best results.